Welcome back. So let's discuss about collaboration skills, why they are important. They are crucially important to be a global leader and learn with different teams. So collaborate with others, demonstrate ability to work, like ability to work effectively, respect other teams, diversity, other people, be flexible, willingness to help and compromise, accomplishing one goal. Like we need to think win-win. So win-win is when we have collaborative skills. So we all work together like five fingers. There's a collaboration. It happens, and then we do some tasks. So similarly, if we have to do bigger projects, so different people come together and they do collaborative activity. They communicate effectively, and there are certain principles. Define the construct of collaboration. Like you can, as per OECD 2013, it is the most fundamental aspects of collaborative learning. They are most crucial skills and efforts required to come to a solution, pooling their knowledge, skills, efforts. And so these are very important skills. So the six facets of a collaborative process, like there are six facets: social interdependence, positive interdependence, negative interdependence, implies degree of synchronicity and introduction to new ideas, related conflict resolution, team members. So all these things are there. So we positive interdependence is when individuals believe they can achieve their goals if other individuals achieve their goals as well. So negativity is just win-lose game. Positive interdependence is win-win. So when we think what is good for ourselves and for the group, and that is the best analogy. So one scientist got a Nobel Prize for this win-win model. It's called Nash equilibrium. It's famous economic theory, Nash equilibrium. You can do a research on it, and this is it's about win-win, not win-lose. So we'll get best results when we do good for ourselves and for the group. That's win-win. So cooperation, task division, conflict resolution, sharing of resources, communication, symmetry of action, symmetry of knowledge, symmetry of status, research actions. Do a research on these skills, like you go and research that how you can be more collaborative, like fingers, and when we do any task. Similarly, like these are people, consider them, these are people, and then you work together for one goal and apply in your community, in your family, in your society, in your country, around the world, whatever projects you are doing, whatever work you want to do. Collaboration is crucial. It is accepting differences, diversities, and making everyone together for one goal and achieving that goal. So do research on this and let me know what research you have done, what are the most important points, and what you have learned through this research, and write down those comments. If you whatever comments you get the extract and write down, send in write down and let us know what did you learn about collaboration. Thank you so much. We'll move to the next video, which is communication skills, why they are important, what are the benefits, and why should we learn and be more effective